Wanna grab a drink? Wanna grab a drink?
I'm not a genius. Don't worry, I'm here for you. Success is not the end. We
Marshall, so let's see what we have here. Okay, wait, 1,000 ores?
Wanna grab a drink?
I need some blueprint. Am I supposed to get a blueprint? Oh, but right here, it's almost. Wait, it's almost season 3. That is the 3rd season. What? I'm too late. That means I can't get this good. So let's see. Just only one? Oh, I'm not gonna do that. What is that for? Oh, wait,
Wanna grab a drink?
you are 5
Wanna grab a drink?
star and he is
Wanna grab a drink?
Well, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Leave a comment down below. Because I want to hit 10 million subscribers because there's a hidden diamond in the 10 million diamond play button. So please subscribe and comment down below. So here's a polar bear.
Yes, sir.
Very strict bear, but it's a polar bear.
Where are you looking?
That's it, I can't
Where are you looking?
level up any of these. And because we have to wait. Ooh! Wait. That means I hit it. Oh my. Wait. Bro, what? I already hit it 200 million power, like, already? That's super easy. Come on, give me more. Maybe I can hit 500 million power too. Well, maybe I have to do
Yes, sir.
and what? See my squad? Well, do you know how to line up our squad? First squad or the tank squad? Do you know how? Without an memorize? Well, first is
No worries, I've got this.
and
Hold the line.
then stand.
Taste my new weapon.
Funny, which is it's like a funny step. And next,
Let's show 'em what we're made of!
and last one is
Report.
it's well, and I'm in. Don't forget that I'm in this truck. So my username in last war is Kinghead 2024 because I just started 2024. And I'm His username is Wing, which is I searched my dad's username, and they thought my dad's name was Chicken Wing, but it is not. But he was supposed to be Ringo, but he just changed his name called Wing, just like oh, here. He's in the protection zone. See? He's in Canada. Well, I can open this legendary ticket on Wednesday. I need my this is an airdrome, and I need this to be level 100. And then my airdrome is gonna be like this. It's called Silver Knight. And the most famous airdrome is called Legend of Nier. And maybe we can get this Christmas hunter. And I fired it just like 5 seconds. I did that. Oh, match! I want to match. Okay, I can do this like for 1. And we call this World War, but it is a winter storm battlefield. Well, I can do this. Well, don't forget my photo is a Junior Bowser, which is so funny. Yeah, I can do this one. So that what am I gonna do?
not the end.
Anyone got poison? Anyone got poison? Anyone got poison? Anyone got poison? Time to make a big move.